Hey friends, the surprise has been given, so I can finally share this amazing transformation. We pulled every stone out of this gigantic cocktail ring, and we made a beautiful wedding set. But as a surprise, we made a absolutely stunning pendant out of the head. So I started out pulling every single individual head and arm forward, and I did this between every torch session. And what I did is bead, or basically melt, every head that was holding a stone into a little ball of gold. It's really satisfying to watch, and I gained a lot of confidence with my torch skills on this project because I had to make sure I was only melting the head that I was focusing on rather than any of them underneath or the center as well. So overall, this took a little bit of time, but it was absolutely totally worth it. Once all the heads were beaded, we actually decided to change up the design a little bit. It was a little bit busy, so we cut off the back row of arms, and after some cleaning with my wire brush and polishing, it was ready to have the aquamarine set in the center. That is the soon-to-be bride's birthstone. And then I just lasered the whole thing into a really beautiful cable chain, and it turned out so magnificently. This is so beautiful. I'm so excited for her to have that memory of the ring forever. And in case anyone is asking, here is the wedding set. It's stunning as well.